Hello my beautiful friends, and today I am doing my project pan update. It's a rolling project pan. The reason why I'm doing an update with this project pan is I have made some changes because makeup do expire and it does go bad. So what I am doing now is rotating my makeup as well while still continuing the rolling project pan. And I want to use everything that I have. I don't want to just limit myself to using just one brush and just let the other ones go bad. So what I'm doing now is I'll show you first the items that I have taken out of my project pan, the rolling project pan that I'm taking a break from. Let me just show you. Okay, I was trying to put the mirror down. Okay, so the first item that I've taken out of my project rolling project pan is this NYX illuminator in the shade Ritualistic. You can see like I'm very close to hitting pan in it. There's a big dent in it, and I believe if I use it one more month I can probably hit pan on it. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna declutter it, or put it in just give it away. I'll put it in my makeup kit. The other item that I've taken out is this Poppy eyeshadow by Hip L'Oreal. This is very old and I was using this as a brow color. However, my hair has outgrown from the highlights. You can see the highlights are down here now. So this shade was starting to look very light on my eyebrows, so I've taken that out. I think I'm just gonna declutter this. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I still have it. I'm gonna do a big declutter at the end of the year, or I might do it mid-year, I don't know. The other item I've taken out is this NARS Orgasm blush. I don't know if I'm hitting pan or I'm getting closer, but it looks fairly used up. And I've taken a break from it. I used it the entire month of January, even for parties or go-to looks. That was the blush I used. That's not what I have on today. That Orgasm is more of a pinky shimmery color, and I didn't feel like for February, going into February, I want to go with that color because I was using it a lot more. Then the other thing I've taken out is this Color Tattoo Permanent Taupe by Maybelline. So this I've used up quite a bit. I think I'm probably going to use this around the cooler months, or I might use it next month. You never know. I use this as a base anyway, so once that's used up, I might declutter it, or I might just, you know, give it away. We'll see what I'm gonna do. So let me move this mirror out of the way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go into my rolling project pan, the stuff that's in my makeup bag that I'm going to be using on a daily basis. So let's begin with the first thing. I'm actually doing... Yes, baby? I'm tired. Can I sit in the makeup room? Okay, I'll open it in a bit. Just give me a second. Huh? I'll open it in a bit, Mina. Let me finish. Okay, so the products that I am putting into the bag for rolling project pan are basically concealers and correctors. The reason why is right now I have no foundation on, and I'm quite happy with that because I want my skin to breathe. I want it to, like, I want the skin to shine through naturally rather than making myself look like a cake face. I don't want to put tons and tons of foundation on my face. Most likely once I get finish all my foundations, I'm just gonna end up using corrector and concealer and just going with the nude face. Maybe for events I will use foundation, but for on a daily basis, I'm not going to. So this is the look that I've been rocking lately. And what I've been doing is putting this Conceal Eye Bright Fit Glow concealer. I'll show you. This is organic. I ordered it from my organic website where I get all my skincare products from. So this is what it looks like. I got it a while ago, but I didn't use it because I wasn't using it with the right brush, I guess, and it wasn't like doing a good job. So right now this is brightening my eyes. This is a yellowy banana color, and what I do is I use Femme Couture Get Covered Maximum Concealer for Fair, in the shade Fair, for my eyelids. And there's a dent in it. I used to use this a lot, so you can see. So I've been using this for my eyelids to color correct or even the color out of my eyelids. Then the next item, what I use to set my eyes, is this Wet n Wild Mega Contouring Powder, the yellow powder. I've still been using this. I still haven't hit pan on it. There's a dent in it. I might hit pan this month. We'll see how it goes, but I want to finish this up. This is something I don't want to change. I want to finish it up. I really like it. It's very hydrating. It doesn't dry out my under eyes, and it looks good. Speaking of that, if I set my under eyes with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent, as you can see, I've hit pan on it. Woo woo! Proud moment. Okay, so I've hit quite a bit of pan in it. I'm going to continue using this to set the rest of my face, my T-zone, forehead, underneath the jawline. I use this to set that, except for the under eyes. I don't set the under eyes. I set the eyelids with that powder. The other thing that I use is this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Corrector in the shade Medium. I use this for special occasions. This is a very peachy salmon-y color. And I use this to color correct my under eyes for events. And sometimes I use it on a daily basis, but mostly on special occasions. The other item I use to conceal my eyelids for special occasions is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And I apply this on my eyelids, set it with the translucent powder, and then I apply the eyeshadow. And this just makes the eyeshadow last for hours, let me just say, without creasing. So right now, I'm like right here on this concealer. We'll see how long this will take for me to finish it. Because I use this for special occasions and not on a day-to-day basis, it might take a little longer. Then the next item I use for special occasions is this Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier. And this is the shade Natural Radiance. I love this thing. I will repurchase it once I run out of it. But I want to finish up what I have. So before I repurchase this, I'm going to go through everything that I have and then get this one again. I mix this with a lot of matte foundations like Estee Lauder Double Wear, Milani Conceal foundation, and then we have the Dior, even the Huda Beauty. I mix this in with all of them, and it just gives amazing results. The other thing that I use on a special occasions is this primer, the coconut, or I use it like if I need my makeup to last a long day since it's freezing temperatures here. I use this to hydrate my skin. The other item is this Chanel Tan de Soleil. There's a big dent in it. And I'm still using this. Hopefully I can finish this by the end of the year. This goes a very long way. I do want to finish it, and I want to get rid of it out of my collection. It is nice. I would not repurchase it. The reason why I would not repurchase it is because I have my Tom Ford Cream Contour palette thingy. The Illuminate and Contour palette. And I use that. And I will be using that. I like that a lot more. The next item I still have in my project pan is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. This thing is tiny, but it's taking forever to finish. Literally, I use this every time I do my makeup, and it's still going strong. I still haven't finished it. I want to finish this up. I don't want to get rid of it, declutter it, or throw it, or hit pan on it. I want to finish this up. So this is one of the items. So Chanel, this, these two, the stuff that I've shown so far, I want to finish all of it up. The other item I want to finish up is this RMS Beauty Gold Luminizer. And it still looks the same. It doesn't look like I've used it enough, but a little bit goes a long way. I just need dewiness for my cheeks. This is what's on my cheeks, plus another highlighter. So that's something that I'm trying to use up. Then I have this mascara by It Cosmetics Superhero. This is a deluxe size. And I'm trying to go through all my deluxe size mascaras before I go through my bigger sizes and then repurchase the one that I really, really like. And I'm probably going to go with deluxe sizes from now on. So this is super black, and this is what's on my eyes, and I actually kind of like it, as you can see. My eyelashes are quite lindy. I did actually curl my eyelashes as well. So the other thing I'm trying to finish up is this Marc Jacobs highlighter in the shade black. This is the deluxe sample size. And this is how much is there. I'm not measuring it, to be honest. The reason why I'm not measuring it is because it takes too much time and it's too much with 3 little kids doing housework, cooking, cleaning. I'm just gonna go through it and be done with it. I've already finished one of these last year in my project pan, so I don't think this should be a problem. The other thing I'm trying to finish up is this Rich Purple by MAC, this eyeliner, the chromographic pencil. This is what's on my lower lash line. I've been putting this a lot on my lower lash line. Purple complements brown eyes. I have brown eyes naturally. Sorry, I went out of focus. So the other items that I included in my project pan, rolling project pan, are these two. Well, not this one actually. I don't think I'll finish this, but I'll just show you. So this is what I've finished up. What I'm trying to go through, my MAC eyeshadow Inexpensive Pink. This is what it is. So I'm trying to hit pan on this. We'll see how much I use it for the month of February. I did take out the Naked 2 palette. I'm not using the Naked 2 palette anymore. I did use it a lot in December and January, and I'm taking a break from it. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow. That's what's on my eyes right now. Plus I have other things that I'm including. I have this Infallible eyeshadow, Amber Rush. We'll see how much I use. And the other items, well, one more item, Tartelette Toasted Palette I'm including. And I am using the shade Warmth Cozy for my, so this is Cozy and this is Warmth. And Cozy, and I'm actually using that in my crease in the outer corner. And then for my inner corner, I'm using the shade Sunrise right there, or highlight underneath the brow bone. And for the eyebrows, I'm using the shade Fireside to fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, it matches a lot more than the other one. That one was too light. So the other items I included into my rolling project pan is I want to hit pan on my MAC highlighter called Soft and Gentle. This was the first highlighter I was like literally falling head over heels for, and I still have the dome, so I'm trying to use this. And this is what I have on my face with the luminizer, and it's just stunning. Like I stopped using it because it was too glittery, but right now, like, I'm into like a more glowy kind of looks, so I've been using this a ton. So MAC Soft and Gentle, I'm trying to see what I can use out of it. The other two products that I'm trying to use, not use up or hit pan on it, are these two blushes. I'm probably trying to use up this one though. This is blush in Bare Peach by Burt's Bees. I'm probably going to try to use this up by the end of the year. the reason why is because this is organic, and organic stuff do go bad a lot sooner, a lot quicker than other stuff. So I'm gonna try to see if I can use that up. And the other blush I'm trying to use is Achiote by Tarte. Literally, this doesn't even look like I've used it, and I've been using this a lot. And this is like a more pinky color, although it's in a peachy packaging. So I've been mixing this with the Burt's Bee blush, Bare Peach, both of them, and that's what's on my cheeks right now. So if you like what's on my cheeks, that's what it is. Alright, so that sums up my rolling project pan. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay tuned for next month's project pan update, and hopefully I can finish up some of the products and give you some more pan or some more empties into my empties bin. So don't forget to check out my empties video as well. I posted that before this one, and that one you'll see like what I've finished up as per skincare or health and beauty. So basically that's everything. Stay tuned for more videos, stay subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you, lots of love. Bye.